Acura RLX repair prices. Acura is the luxury and performance division of Honda Motor Company. The brand was launched in the United States and Canada on March 27, 1986, marketing luxury and performance automobiles. The 2020 Acura RLX is a luxury sedan that offers a blend of comfort, advanced technology, and performance. Here are some key features and specifications for the 2020 Acura RLX. Servicing your Acura RLX is crucial to ensure its optimal performance, longevity, and safety. Regular maintenance helps prevent issues and keeps your vehicle in good condition. Here are some general service guidelines for the Acura RLX. Oil change. Follow the recommended oil change intervals specified in your vehicle's owner's manual. Use the recommended oil grade. Fluid checks and changes. Regularly check and, if necessary, replace fluids such as transmission fluid, brake fluid, coolant, and power steering fluid. Brake system service. Inspect and replace brake pads and rotors as needed. Check the brake fluid level and replace it if necessary. Tire maintenance. Rotate your tires regularly to ensure even wear. Check tire pressure and tread depth. Replace tires if needed. Battery inspection. Inspect the battery for corrosion, and check the battery's overall health. Replace the battery if necessary. Air filter replacement. Replace the engine air filter at regular intervals to maintain optimal engine performance. Cabin air filter. Replace the cabin air filter at recommended intervals for clean air inside the vehicle. Spark plug replacement. Replace spark plugs at the recommended intervals to ensure efficient combustion. Timing belt or chain. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for timing belt or chain replacement. Suspension and steering components. Regularly inspect and replace suspension and steering components as needed for a smooth and controlled ride. Cooling system maintenance. Inspect and replace the radiator and cooling system components as needed to prevent overheating. Transmission service. Follow the recommended transmission service intervals, including fluid changes if applicable. Exhaust system inspection. Regularly inspect the exhaust system for leaks or damage. Wheel alignment. Check and, if necessary, adjust wheel alignment to ensure proper handling and tire wear. Software updates. Keep the vehicle's software up to date by checking for and installing any available updates from Acura. Regular checkups. Schedule regular checkups with an authorized Acura service center to catch any issues early and ensure that your vehicle is in top condition. Warranty inspections. Take advantage of any warranty inspections or services offered by Acura to address potential issues covered under warranty. Always refer to the Acura RLX owner's manual for specific maintenance intervals and requirements. Following the manufacturer's recommendations is crucial for maintaining the vehicle's performance and reliability. If you're not comfortable performing these tasks yourself, it's recommended to have them done by a qualified Acura service technician.